Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. 24 new members joined the 2021 Taxpayer Advocacy Panel. IR 2021-39, February 18, 2021, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service recommended and the Department of Treasury has approved the selection of 24 new members to serve on the Taxpayer Advocacy Panel for 2021. The new TAP members will join returning members to round out the panel of 67 volunteers for 2021. The new members were selected from a pool of approximately 300 interested individuals who applied during an open recruitment period last spring, and from alternate members who applied in prior years. National Taxpayer Advocate Erin Collins recently shared her appreciation for all TAP volunteers. Quote, "I am grateful for these citizens volunteering their time and talent to the Taxpayer Advocacy Panel. I am very proud of the accomplishments of the TAP last year, and I look forward to the TAP bringing its valuable taxpayer perspective in recommending changes to tax administration to achieve the quality service that taxpayers expect and deserve," end quote. The TAP is a federal advisory committee charged with listening to taxpayers, identifying issues, and making suggestions to improve IRS service and customer satisfaction. Oversight and program support for the TAP are provided by the Taxpayer Advocate Service, an independent organization within the IRS that helps resolve taxpayer account problems and makes administrative and legislative recommendations to mitigate systemic problems. Members of the TAP work on a variety of issues that impact taxpayers in the key areas where the IRS and the public interact the most. Members also serve as a conduit for bringing grassroots concerns raised by the taxpayers' public to the attention of the IRS. TAP members are U.S. citizens who volunteer to serve a 3-year appointment and are expected to devote 200 to 300 hours per year to panel activities. To the extent possible, TAP members are demographically and geographically diverse, providing balanced representation from all 50 states, the District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico. In addition, there is one TAP member from abroad who represents the interests of taxpayers working, living, or doing business abroad or in a U.S. territory. The new TA members by location. So you got your members and the locations down below. I'll put a link to this so that you can look over the members and the locations of them rather than read them out, because if I do read them out, I'm sure that I will indeed butcher their names. Taxpayers can contact the TAP representative for their geographic area by calling 888-912-1227. That's 888-912-1227, 888-912-1227. A toll-free call or online at www.improveirs.org. There's a link to that here. Those interested in serving on the 2022 or 2024 panel may apply during TAP's next open recruiting period beginning in March 2021. Taxpayers can also send written correspondence to the TAP at the following address. You got the address here, and you got the links available here as well, and I'll put a link to this in the description.